Hello, dear students. The topic transformation, and inside this first part voice is started. Something in this topic voice has already been taught previously, and now in Lingering system changing process, how to change the sentence from active to passive voice. Many things have been taught in this way. The voice is divided into two parts, active voice and passive voice, as you know. Now, what are the processes to change active in passive voice? Active voice means the sentence in due process of tense and without changing the meaning of the sentence according to the rule of transformation voice. The sentence is changed, but meaning is the same as in active voice. Now, transitive verbs containing sentences can be changed from active to passive, but intransitive verbs cannot be changed because it has no object. In this way, sentences are divided into two parts, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Intransitive verb, you can find object in the last of the sentence, but in intransitive verb, sentence containing verb does not run towards the object for its completion. ये ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव दो तरह की क्रियाएं होती हैं, सकर्मक और अकर्मक. Now the transitive verb, the verb that runs towards the object for its completion is called transitive verb. In the sentence, subject, helping verb, main verb, object, all these things are arranged systematically is called transitive verb. As he writes a letter, the subject writes verb and a letter is object. But in intransitive verb, the verb that does not run towards the object for its completion is called intransitive verb. Intransitive verb does not want object, and the completion of the sentence, the fulfillment of the sense is completed without object, as he writes. What does he write is understood in the sentence, but the sentence is complete. He writes, and this type of sentence is out of the range of changing process. Now, some different sentences containing systematic merits are out of the changing process. The sentence in which be form helping verbs are given in the active voice cannot be changed because this type of helping verb controls the meaning of the sentence. The sentence in which be form helping verbs are used are out of the range of change. This type of sentence can be changed in passive voice because be form helping verbs have no scope and idea to be changed in passive voice. Now, the sentence in which be, being and been helping verbs are used cannot be changed. It means you can watch how many sentences in tense, in systematic values of the grammar are like in this system in which has been, had been, shall have been, will have been, was being, were being, are used, are not in the process of changing system. Now, in this way, something countable here. In this way, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous, four parts of tense are out of changing process. अब इस सिस्टम के तहत आप देखते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में हैड बीन लगा होता है, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में हैड बीन लगा होता है, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में शैल हैव बीन लगा होता है और फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस में शैल बी विल भी लगा होता है. इन दिस वे द फोर पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेंटेंस cannot be changed. These are out of the changing process from active to passive. If it is mistaken by the students, the question is given, the sentence contains present perfect continuous, and we asked the students to change in passive voice. Some student will do mistake. They will try to change this sentence into passive voice. Actually, it will be mistaken by the student and the sentence will be wrong. So, in the last, I have discussed about how many parts of tense cannot be changed. The sentence contains above four parts: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous. Cannot be changed from active to passive voice. And now it is clarified in grammatical formation in the system of grammar. And if you try to go out of the grammatical formation, out of the rule of the grammar, it will be mistaken by you and the sentence will be completely wrong. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Further, tomorrow we shall discuss on other things, other parts of changing process of voice. Thank you.